everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Show, and thank you so much for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Genesis from the 16th to 28th of February 2026 on Monday. Felicia bears the brunt of Bongo scandal. The Sedibangs pulls away from each other, and Ishmael shows gratitude with an unexpected gift. On Tuesday, Gabriel twisted the truth to coerce Mpumi into going against her morals. When they tried to show up for Maruna, coyly Ishmael faces backlash after showing generosity and gratitude to Bishop Hlophe on Wednesday. Bongo struggle with letting go. Mpumi makes an ultimate sacrifice to prove her love. Mara Mpumi. A brand new car causes brand new problems on Thursday. A mother is willing to burn it all to rescue her son. Two bulls in a kraal face off once again, and Mzwakhe makes more demand in exchange for his investment on Friday. At the Tabetes, blood spills when old wounds finally erupt into war. A mother calls in the uncles when her son refuses to abandon a forbidden love. A broken youngster is torn between faith, family, and scandal. Will any of them come out whole, or is destruction inevitable? Well, guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.